Welcome back to Thek Unlimited, where tech hacks actually work and genuinely simplify your life. We believe technology should work for you, not the other way around. We've all been there, frantically searching for a lost remote or juggling a mountain of controllers for the TV, soundbar, and AC. Your coffee table is a cluttered mess, and the batteries always die at the worst moment. What if you could replace that entire pile with the one device you always have with you? Your phone? Well, get ready to unlock a hidden superpower in your pocket. Today I'll show you how to transform your Android smartphone into a powerful universal remote. We're talking full control over your television, cable box, AC unit, fan, and so much more, all from a single, convenient app. The best part? It's surprisingly simple. And for most modern phones, it requires no extra gadgets. We'll walk through the entire setup step by step. So if you're ready to take control, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We drop new hacks daily, and you won't want to miss out. Most homes have too many remotes. One for the TV, one for the fan, one for the decoder. But your phone can replace all of them. Let's unlock the power of IR and Wi-Fi remote apps. First, let's get into the hack. Step 1. Check your phone for an IR blaster. It's a tiny dark dot on the top edge, common on many Xiaomi, Huawei, or older Samsung phones. This lets you control older devices like a standard TV or stereo. No IR blaster? No problem. For smart TVs and streaming sticks, you'll use Wi-Fi. The golden rule is that your phone and the device must be on the same Wi-Fi network. This shared connection is the key. Step 2. Download the right app. For IR control, an app like Anymote Universal Remote has a massive device database. For Wi-Fi, your best bet is the official app for your device, like Google Home for Chromecasts or SmartThings for Samsung products, as they offer the tightest integration. Powerful third-party apps like Unified Remote can also control a wide range of smart home gadgets. Step 3. The setup. Open your app and start pairing. For IR, you'll select your device brand, and the app sends test signals to find the right code. Just confirm when your device responds. For Wi-Fi, the app typically auto-discovers devices on your network. Tap to connect, and you might need to enter a PIN from your TV screen. Once paired, test all the key buttons, power, volume, and input selection, to ensure everything works flawlessly before you really need it. Want to go next level? Create custom remote layouts for multiple devices. Use voice commands with Google Assistant. Set up automation. Turn on TV plus AC when you arrive home. Share remote access with family members. IR blasters send signals just like traditional remotes. Wi-Fi apps connect to smart devices on your home network. Either way, your phone becomes the command center for your electronics. So there you have it. Your Android phone is now the ultimate command center for your entire home. Go ahead, give it a try. I'm genuinely curious to hear how it goes for you. Drop a comment below and let me know. Which device did you control first? Was it your TV, your soundbar, or something more unexpected? Share your wins. And if you enjoyed unlocking this hidden potential, there's a whole lot more where that came from. For more practical tech hacks that actually work, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for Thek Unlimited. We're all about making your tech life simpler. Speaking of which, are you ever frustrated by your phone's speaker volume? In tomorrow's episode, we're showing you how to safely boost it beyond the default limit. We'll cover the right apps and settings to get that extra punch without risking damage. You won't want to miss it. Until then, stay smart, stay in control. This is tech hacks that actually work.